blazing arena, kings of various species prepare for the ultimate showdown. The Lion King, Dog King, Sheep King, Rat King, Cat Queen, Monkey King, and Hen King. Each represents their kingdom, muscles tense with determination. As the battle begins, chaos erupts, fists fly, claws scratch. The Lion King takes down the Dog King, while the agile Monkey King leaps into action. But just as one seems to dominate, a giant human casts a shadow over the arena, forcing the kings to unite against this common threat. Rivals become allies in the fight for survival.
Hope friends you enjoy this video, and creating these type of videos, it will take just 2 minutes. Right now we just go straight to YouTube and check how much viewership these type of channels are getting. So right now if we search hybrid animals with AI, as you can see, this single YouTube short gains more than 4.4 million views. And if you check the second one, and you can see that this one gains more than 1.6 million views, as the creator of these type of shorts and videos are making millions of dollars in a month. So creating these kind of videos are as simple as a piece of cake. So let's create our own AI based animal movie, and we will be following just 3 steps. So the very first step is that we need a script. So for that, we always recommend to use ChatGPT. Right now, I'm going to use ChatGPT, and I just asked ChatGPT to write a best prompt so I can generate a movie from the prompt. So this is my custom prompt. So ChatGPT will make it more professional, and it will create the best prompt out of my custom prompt. As you can see, now ChatGPT has written all the script for each and every animal. So what we have to do, we have to copy individual prompt. So just paste into video generator. And the second phase will be generating mesmerizing videos. To generate a mesmerizing video from simple prompt, we are going to use Hyper AI. All you have to do, you have to search hyper.ai, just search. And this is the home page of Hyper AI. All you have to do, you have to just click the cross option here. You will see the hyper.ai homepage will looks like this. So now they have different option. You can utilize text to image, text to video, image to video, whatever you feel like you can do that. But first we have to log in here. What you have to do, just click login, and you can log in with Google account or you can log in with Discord. So we will go ahead, we will log in with Gmail. And now you can see their homepage, and they are offering different services. And you can check one by one. You can create mesmerizing images from simple text, or you can create videos from a text, or even you can create a video from image as well. So they have different showcases. So they have different display here. You can check these as well. So how amazingly hyper.ai creating videos from simple prompt. So now what we are going to do, we are going to create a video from simple text. So just click the second option here. And once you're done with that, just describe what kind of video you want. We already have our script from ChatGPT. All we have to do, we have to paste that prompt here. And after that, you have option here, and you can select the aspect ratio. I'm going to create this video for YouTube. So my aspect ratio is 16:9. And after that, I'm going to select the style. So this will be a realistic base. So I'm going to select realistic. And here you have different duration. And we can create up to 8 seconds, but to create your video up to 8 seconds, you have to have your subscription. But for free, you can create video up to 4 seconds. So I'm going to select for 4 seconds. And once you're done with that, all you have to do is just click on create. And this process will take at least 1 or 2 minutes. Within 2 minutes, this will be ready. And after that, we will be able to see the result. So let's check. I already create videos by using hyper.ai. And you may have seen these clips in our previous video. So first, let's check this clip we used in our previous video. And let's check this one. And this clip you already seen in our video. And now look at the reception, quality, everything is just perfect. And the most wonderful thing is that we create this kind of video by simple prompt. I mean from simple text. If you find this session helpful, please share, subscribe Deepmindai, and hopefully for next session we will create a complete tutorial step by step, and we will increase the duration from 2 minutes up to 30 minutes. So stay tuned with us.